Let me show you how to light a big green egg with a Looftlighter. We're going to remove the top cover and we're going to open the bottom damper all the way at the bottom. Now inside we've got our charcoal ready to go, and the Looftlighter really likes smaller pieces of charcoal, and the end is going to get cherry red. So shove it down in and turn it on. Now the Looftlighter says, the instructions say it takes about a minute. And once it starts, you can see sparks are starting to fly. So you can stop after a minute, but it's just too much fun to stop now. So I like that once it starts popping good, I'll back away just a little bit and throw that hot air onto the stove. In fact, you can kind of steer it around just a little and push that hot air down to the bottom of the egg. Now I can stop here and it would absolutely light itself. I want to show you what's going on the end here. So this is, it looks like a giant curling iron, but it's actually a hair dryer on steroids. Looftlighter. Gotta get you one.